West central Wisconsin has several solid landmarks. The bluffs of the Mississippi River, the natural stone sculptures at Mill Bluff, and an ISO 9001-2000 certified manufacturer of exceptional quality, large-scale components, assemblies, and weldments. Introducing D&S Manufacturing of Black River Falls, Wisconsin. With more than 40 years of total turnkey project management experience, D&S Manufacturing consistently delivers better functioning, more economically manufactured components. A pioneer in the implementation of lean manufacturing initiatives, D&S continues to make significant investments in production capabilities to contain costs, maximize the speed and efficiency of the manufacturing process, and prepare for future growth. This includes an aggressive facility expansion program that has enabled D&S to increase workable production space by over 50%, minimizing material handling as a strategy to further reduce project lead times. In addition, a significant boost in ceiling height now promotes accommodation of our customers' more sizable projects. And in contrast to other companies that are currently cutting their workforces, D&S continues to hire additional staff to accommodate increased demand for our services. The D&S customer service team offers an unparalleled commitment to the satisfaction of the most demanding project objectives. Our uniquely positioned positive corporate culture values and rewards the innovation, determination, and teamwork of our employees. Therefore, whether we are applying our extensive problem-solving capabilities to offer more cost-conscious material selection, or reducing waste within our internal processes, our customers are rewarded with superior quality products manufactured in the most efficient and productive manner possible. Total project integration begins in our design center with the use of AutoCAD Inventor 3D, an AutoCAD mechanical 2D drafting system, or the Sigma Nest and FeatureCam systems. Project CAM data is then interpreted with the ABB Robot Studio. Through job simulation, D&S is able to provide an extremely accurate quotation and completion date before any project is sent to the machining centers via DNC network software. D&S Manufacturing's diverse production resources enable us to manufacture a broad spectrum of large and weighty components, as well as complex weldments featuring over 100 parts. To shorten project lead times, we utilize highly efficient cell systems, including a Haas EC630 machining center that is located adjacent to a 6-axis ABB welding robot. Both machines are controlled by a single operator to maximize productivity. This Cincinnati CL850 5000-watt linear direct drive laser cutting system delivers impressive cutting speeds that are twice as fast as standard systems. And this unit also boasts an expansive 72-inch by 144-inch table designed to quickly manage larger components as well as greater quantity requirements. In addition to processing more parts within a shorter production window, one of the most significant benefits of the CL850 is the ability to eliminate steps in the manufacturing process. This new laser is capable of accommodating a much wider range of materials with thicknesses as great as 1 inch. D&S also employs a Sector Technologies high-definition plasma cutter to maximize productivity when the accuracy of laser cutting is not required. Plus, we utilize oxy-fuel cutting with an ESAB Avenger to address plate ranging from 1 1/2 to 6 inches in thickness. In addition, D&S offers the latest in press brake technology with our LVD 350-ton 8-axis CNC brake. Forming operations are also efficiently completed on a 165-ton press and a 400-ton press. This roundo plate roll with a capacity of 1/2 inch by 10 feet and a new dimension roll with a capacity of 1/4 inch by 4 feet enable D&S to fulfill roll forming operations efficiently and accurately. Also, 7 vertical machining centers provide efficient machining of parts as large as 2 feet by 5 feet by 15 feet. Our Haas horizontal machining centers meet the most demanding customer challenges. Large turning projects are completed on a Toshiba vertical turning center, and 3 horizontal CNC lathes are used for other turning requirements. Sawing needs are met by 2 Hyde-Mech automatic band saws. The latest manual and robotic welding technologies provide our experienced crew the ability to expertly weld parts as large as 12 by 16 feet by 6 feet and as heavy as 5 tons. To ensure adherence to your most demanding quality objectives, all D&S welders are certified to AWS standards. And we retain on-site a full-time AWS certified inspector. Parts are carefully examined throughout the production process at multiple quality control checkpoints. Customer specifications are verified utilizing a Brown & Sharp CMM and a Ferrofusion portable CMM. D&S will also provide, upon request, a variety of product testing data and routinely conforms to PPAP, FEMA, lot tracking, and other regulatory mandates. As a result, our team consistently maintains a nearly 0% external part reject rate that has enabled many of our customers to eliminate the costly and time-eroding process of inbound part inspection. To further simplify the outsourcing process, D&S will coordinate a variety of secondary services that include heat treating, as well as the internal completion of shot blasting requirements. Our in-house automated paint line includes a 6-stage power spray wash booth with iron phosphatizing, 3 spray booths in both prime and top coat ovens with 450-degree temperature capacity, mechanical assembly, electrical assembly, serial and lot tracking, product testing and quality records, Kanban replenishment, special packaging requirements, and returnable containers are examples of the many services D&S offers to ensure the easy and efficient satisfaction of your outsourced manufacturing objectives. Technology has evolved over the years, but our commitment has remained constant. Whether it is 1 part or several hundred, D&S Manufacturing is committed to completing every job exactly to our customer specifications. Recently, a formal independent customer attitude research study was commissioned. When compared directly to specific competitors, D&S Manufacturing was consistently rated better in the areas of large part capabilities, quotation turnaround time, and customer service. Therefore, as we expertly fulfill your most critical integrated plate metal fabrication and welding requirements, D&S will efficiently manage all processes under one roof. No nonsense, no excuses. We will deliver superior components and complex weldments backed by uncompromising project management support. From machining to finishing to assembly to comprehensive testing to inventory management solutions, D&S will provide your company with the tools necessary to more profitably compete in today's economic environment. D&S, solid.